the level, Mr. Aditya, you are finding that where the market can take a support, and which sector should be in the focus? Like it should be a defense, pharma, NBFC, or which sector should be in radar for any investor?
So actually, it is a very good question. Taking into the scenario of the current market, it's steeping down like anything. So what we can do is, first of all, if we give a view on the market for next week and coming months. So what I can expect here for the next week, their market is almost close to its support, that is 23,300, 23,400. It is the nearest support currently market has. If market does not respect that support, and if it's finds in it to correct more, then next level is 22, 600, 700. That is also a strong Fibonacci 38% retracement level. Usually, usually if we talk about the market current scenario, it's sharp fall of 10%. Now we can find a bounce for coming week. Coming week, we can expect a bounce of 500, 600 points maybe from here because we are almost verged to the support almost. So here what we can do is as an investor, we should look for the sectors which has not performed in last 2 years. The sectors which has already hit it up, now they are correcting. I think we should avoid that and we should look for a new opportunity. Now the questions come, what is the new opportunity means? New opportunity means a sector which is at a fair value or undervalue, a sector which has a strong hold in this fallen market. That is IT sector. IT sector, if we see 5 to 6% correction compared to other sectors, which are 15 to 14% correction. IT is all-time high. If we can see the US market, Nasdaq is breaking highs, making uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. So this will impact the Indian IT sector. Also, we can see the IT stocks are not falling like take away other AI stocks and consulting stocks and all. So second thing is the financial services, as we are expecting RBI to cut the rates, and that expectation will impact the financing companies. As we can see, financial stocks has also not given that correction, only at 7%, second lowest correction after IT. So one of other financial sectors also. Third, I can say is EV and chemical sector. Why EV and chemical sector? Yes, chemical has not performed in past 2 years. They are at a undervalued. So it is one of the opportunities we can have it currently. And third is EV. EV have performed very well, very well. They have automobiles are boomed like anything in last 2 years, but currently they are at their fair
I
value.
know you won't take any stock a specific name, but what's your take on Ola? I just want to view about the EV sector, not about the particular Ola or any EV company.
EV
But
sector, yes, sir.
yeah, so what's your take on EV sector
EV
in next
sector,
1 or 2 years?
1 or 2 year, if I talk about if you're taking EV for 1 or 2 year, that not be justifying with that sector because EV is itself is a revolution. And if we are participating in a revolution, have a broader perspective rather than having a narrow perspective on it. So if revolution happens, that will give you manifold returns. Only it's require a patience and time because India infrastructure for EV is booming like anything. Government is investing in it. It need time. It's not a other sectors that you will hold for 1 or 2 years and you will get a good return. No, it will require 5 to 10. If we talk about few companies, as you mentioned, I'm not talking about in stock as specific. It's just my view
Yeah.
for educational purpose. Ola, take say Ola. Yes, definitely it's related to EV, but we should not directly jump to any stock specific just because it is a part of a EV. No, it is a part of EV, well and good, but what that company is doing for that story or revolution. If we talk about Ola, it has a great debt. Its profits are it's almost in loss. They are making huge losses in every year, no improvement in losses, debt are increasing, other burdens are also increasing on it. So these are the factors which we should consider. And if we take about other EV sectors, if we talk about the revenue, profit growth, and other factors are definitely at a uptrend curve. So definitely when choosing a specific stock, be very specific, be very brave, and be very smart to it, what you are taking.
Aditya, actually, the most of the client and customer ask the simple question that we understand that Ola is a loss-making company. The same story happened with the Zomato. When it was a loss-making company, the rate was 55 to 60. Now the story turned around and the rate is around 270 or 260, something like that. So what they are saying that since it's a loss-making company, then only we are getting at the rate of whatever 70 or 75 it is. Once the story will turn around, maybe you will find 200 or 250 rupees. So what I'm asking that investors should wait for the let that story turn around, or investors should jump on the low price.
No, now here we have two aspects. If we take a fundamental first, we will take a fundamental. Okay, people are saying, okay, Zomato also is loss-making company, other factors are there. That's not important. It's important. Are you making loss? That doesn't, it's not important. Okay, it's important. But at the same time, you should see the growth. What company initiative is taking. Is company is really willing to invest or do something different from other competitors so that they can have a revenue growth. If we see the revenue growth, again a downtrend trajectory, profit downtrend trajectory, they are not even maintaining a bare minimum break even point. At least you should have some break even benchmark I am maintaining. Even if I'm not selling 100 units, then I should not slip to 90 units. At least I should maintain that 100 units. Then we can have some little trust. Second is a technical prospect. If we take a technical chart on it also, it is a downtrend trajectory. In chart also, there is nothing as such. I have seen something bullish or trend reversal pattern there as well. So in both the scenarios, it's not definitely in the future. If I see any trend reversal, definitely we will invest. I'm not biased at particular any stock or in a specific sector, but yes, we should see at least some growth in there, fundamental as well as technical.
Got